too soon. Our
It's too soon. Mama's just excited, that's all.
our backyard will be 3, 8, or 10.
In about a month, we're going to come here with $45 and she's going to go wild
I
spending,
know.
buying all kinds of stuff, whatever she can buy for $45.
No way.
Or something.
This is perennial. Ay, annual. Annual. What's up there, babe?
Okay, there's something to buy anyway, so I guess I don't know if
No, wait for me.
I'll go in the car.
No.
You gotta get flower.
This one. I'm gonna buy this one soon.
Cabbage.
Yeah, this is the one that I have in the backyard.
Cabbage.
No, lettuce. But it's not ready yet.
Cabbage.
This is the one in my backyard that I have.
See that table
Where?
that they had over there? These are nice tables too.
Where?
When we were first coming in on the outside.
And then?
Just a fancy table.
Garlic. $6.
For dirt, holding dirt. Like a raised flower bed or whatever. Vegetable garden.
Oh, okay. Come here, Seth.
You don't even have to have a yard.
I'll just take pictures. Look at how pretty is that. Orchids. Oi, wait for me. Wait for me. Come here. Not yet. The lemon. $59. They have big pots. Mahala sa bonsai. No. Yeah. I'm here.
Hey, where's this? Oh.
No touching, huh? No touching.
Mama. Oh.
50. Is it blue?
What's your granddaughter's name?
I know.
That's it. No, only one. So.
Just only one. Because it's no, 'cause only one.
It's a lot. Because we're just eating ice cream and cookies at Grandma's house. Hmm?
Did you eat cookies in Grandma's house? Huh?
They go and they just help themselves now.
Oh,
They know
oh.
where the ice cream is at, so they just go in the freezer and
No,
get it.
don't do that. You just ask permission always, okay?
We did.
Good. But
And Grandma said, go get it.
hi friends, we're in the backyard. Not yet Blossom Girl. So maglagay tayo ng mga bahay sa mga ibon natin. Andun oh. Sa area na yun. I-change natin yung iba. Saglit. Then hugasan natin yung iba na may ayan. I-change ko yung ibang bahay dyan. Kasi puno ng dumi nila. That one, I'll just change that one. This one is a little house too. Yan. Pero kailangan linisan. Uy, careful. This is a feeder. Feeder. And then house. Linis. I-brush ko yan mga. I-brush natin tong mga bahay nila para malinis. Pagkain. Ayan. And then may bahay din dito. Mga maliliit. Ayan marumi. Linisan ko yan. Ayun. So let's put it. Itong dalawa na to should be in that trees in there. Be careful, cutie pie, ha? Saglit, ha? Okay, let's bring the next house. Yep. I'm gonna go back there again. So I'm gonna careful. Put one here. That one. It's a perfect spot in there. Careful, silly Billy.
There's a big crash I had.
And then I'll put one in here.
I had a big crash.
Careful. Okay, I'll get more.
I'm gonna go
One more.
That
Maybe in here.
there. Okay, go there. If you hear me.
Last one. Oops.
Mom, wait.
Last one. Oops. There we go.
Let's go. Let's go to the tree, Mom.
Yep. I'm going to the tree. So yan na friends, nalagay ko na yung mga bagong houses ng mga ng mga ibon ko. So this one here mga friends is garbage area namin dyan. Dyan pipick upin yung mga, what's it called? Yung garbage namin in that gate. And then ito yung nag-iisang kahoy ko in this side. And then that one there, mayroon akong tatlo na hindi pa masyadong malaki. And then yan yung feeder na walang laman. Maglagay ako ng pagkain nila later. Meron pa naman konti dito. So ayan, bagong feeder. Bahay nila, bagong bahay. This is the old house. And then that one as well is the old one. And then yung isa, nag-surrender na yung isa. So ayan, ito yung bath nila, bird bath. Diyan sila naliligo at umiinom ng tubig kasi hindi ko pa inuun yung fountain. Usually they drink in the fountain. So yan, lagay tayo later. And then yung isa is in here. Dalawa pala. Here, lagay ko yung, I don't know if you like this spot here. Yan. And then the other one here. Bird's house nila, basta may mga kahoy-kahoy. Ito is for, ew, there's a lot of flies in there. Tapon ko na siguro yan. That's for hummingbirds. And then in here I'll put the hummingbird stuff here. Hala, malapit na yan siya mga friends, mamulaklak. This is like a cherry blossom tree. Nakikita ko na yung pink stuff. Ayan oh. I don't know if you can see. Ayan. Yung sprout niya. Malapit na yan mag-pink. This is a very nice tree. Pwede siguro dito. For the hummingbird. Diyan. How can I get in though? Right here. Dito na lang. Dito. Yan. There. And then dyan, lagyan ko yan dyan ng mga bulaklak. Yan, perfect pala dyan. Pagkatapos ko ding lagyan ng pagkain yung ating mga little friends. Mga 2 weeks din yan sila mga friends bago doon puno na rin. And then this one, that one in the back, and then this one is very full, and then this one is very full as well. Isa na lang yung doon. Kuya, isa na lang. Yan. There you go.
Ooh, it looks good.
It looks, I will not put that one there because it's gonna be dirty again.